English is festival. Japanese is matsuri. Example: This festival is held every year. この祭りは毎年行われます。Repeat. Festival. Festival. English is ceremony. Japanese is shiki. Example: The ceremony starts at noon. 式は正午に始まります。Repeat. Ceremony. Ceremony. English is custom. Japanese is shukan. Example: This is a traditional custom. これは伝統的な習慣です。Repeat. Custom. Custom. English is gift. Japanese is 贈り物. Example: I bought a gift for my friend. 私は友達に贈り物を買いました。Repeat. Gift. Gift. English is invitation. Japanese is shotai. Example: I received an invitation to the wedding. 私は結婚式の招待を受けました。Repeat. Invitation. Invitation. English is guest. Japanese is kyaku. Example: We have many guests today. 今日はたくさんの客が来ています。Repeat. Guest. Guest. English is host. Japanese is hosto. Example: She was the host of the party. 彼女はそのパーティーのホストでした。Repeat. Host. Host. English is greeting. Japanese is 挨拶. Example: They exchanged greetings. 彼らは挨拶を交わしました。Repeat. Greeting. Greeting. English is celebration. Japanese is oiwai. Example: The celebration lasted all night. Oiwai wa一晩中続きました。Repeat. Celebration. Celebration. English is honeymoon. Japanese is honeymoon. Example: They went to Hawaii for their honeymoon. 彼らはハネムーンでハワイに行きました。Repeat. Honeymoon. Honeymoon. English is shopping. Japanese is 買い物. Example: I went shopping yesterday. 私は昨日買い物に行きました。Repeat. Shopping. Shopping. English is discount. Japanese is waribiki. Example: The store offers a 10% discount. その店は 10% の割引を提供しています。Repeat. Discount. Discount. English is price. Japanese is 価格. Example: The price is too high. その価格は高すぎます。Repeat. Price. Price. English is quality. Japanese is 品質. Example: This product has good quality. この製品は品質が良いです。Repeat. Quality. Quality. English is brand. Japanese is brando. Example: This is my favorite brand. これは私のお気に入りのブランドです。Repeat. Brand. Brand. English is size. Japanese is sizer. Example: The size is too small. そのサイズは小さすぎます。Repeat. Size. Size. English is receipt. Japanese is receipt. Example: Do you need a receipt? Receipt は必要ですか? Repeat. Receipt. 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 English is change. Japanese is otsuri. Example: Here is your change. こちらがお釣りです。Repeat. Change. Change. English is customer. Japanese is 顧客. Example: The customer is always right. 顧客は常に正しいです。Repeat. Customer. 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 English is assistant. Japanese is tenin. Example: The shop assistant helped me. 店員が私を手伝ってくれました。Repeat. Assistant. Assistant. English is apartment. Japanese is apatu. Example: He lives in a small apartment. 彼は小さなアパートに住んでいます。Repeat. Apartment. Apartment. English is furniture. Japanese is kagu. Example: We bought new furniture. 私たちは新しい家具を買いました。Repeat. Furniture. Furniture. English is neighbor. Japanese is隣人. Example: Our neighbors are friendly. 私たちの隣人は親切です。Repeat. Neighbor. Neighbor. English is rent. Japanese is yachin. Example: The rent is expensive. 家賃は高いです。Repeat. Rent. Rent. English is bill. Japanese is 請求書. Example: I paid the electricity bill. 私は電気の請求書を支払いました。Repeat. Bill. Bill. English is elevator. Japanese is elevator. Example: Let's take the elevator. Elevator に乗りましょう. Repeat. elevator, elevator. English is hallway. Japanese is loka. Example, the hallway is long and dark. Loka wa nagakute kurai desu. Repeat, hallway, hallway. English is balcony. Japanese is balcony. Example, we ate lunch on the balcony. Watashi tachi wa balcony de chushoku o tabemashita. Repeat, balcony, balcony. English is floor. Japanese is yuka. Example, the floor is cold. Yuka wa tsumetai desu. Repeat, floor, floor. English is key. Japanese is kagi. Example, I lost my key. Watashi wa kagi o nakushimashita. Repeat, key, key. English is kitchen. Japanese is daidokoro. Example, the kitchen is clean. Daidokoro wa kirei desu. Repeat, kitchen, kitchen. English is bathroom. Japanese is yokushitsu. Example, the bathroom is upstairs. Yokushitsu wa 2階desu. Repeat, bathroom, bathroom. English is refrigerator. Japanese is leizouko. Example, the refrigerator is full of food. Leizouko wa tabemono de ippai desu. Repeat, refrigerator, refrigerator. English is microwave. Japanese is denshilenji. Example, heat it in the microwave. Denshilenji de atsutamete kudasai. Repeat, microwave, microwave. English is sink. Japanese is nagashidai. Example, the sink is full of dishes. Nagashidai ni wa sara ga ippai desu. Repeat, sink, sink. English is shelf. Japanese is tana. Example, the books are on the shelf. Hon wa tana ni arimasu. Repeat, shelf, shelf. English is towel. Japanese is toweler. Example, please bring me a towel. Taolu o motte kite kudasai. Repeat, towel, towel. English is blanket. Japanese is mofu. Example, I need an extra blanket. Watashi wa mou ichimai mofu ga hitsuyou desu. Repeat, blanket, blanket. English is trash. Japanese is gomi. Example, please take out the trash. Gomi o dashite kudasai. Repeat, trash, trash. English is laundry. Japanese is sentak. Example, I have to do the laundry. Watashi wa sentaku o shinakereba narimasen. Repeat, laundry, laundry. English is future. Japanese is mirei. Example, we are thinking about the future. Watashi tachi wa mirai ni tsuite kangaete imasu. Repeat, future, future, future. English is dream. Japanese is yume. Example, she has a dream of becoming a doctor. Kanojo ni wa isha ni naru yume ga arimasu. Repeat, dream, dream. English is hope. Japanese is kibo. Example, there is always hope. Itsumo kibo ga arimasu. Repeat, hope, hope. English is plan. Japanese is keikaku. Example, we are making plans for next year. Watashi tachi wa lainen no keikaku o tatete imasu. Repeat, plan, plan. English is decision. Japanese is kette. Example, that was a difficult decision. それは難しい決定でした. Repeat, decision, decision. English is effort. Japanese is 努力. Example, he made a great effort. 彼は大きな努力をしました. Repeat, effort, effort. English is skill. Japanese is 技能, skill. Example, you need communication skills. あなたにはコミュニケーションスキルが必要です. Repeat, skill, skill. English is talent. Japanese is saino. Example, she has a talent for music. 彼女には音楽の才能があります. Repeat, talent, talent. English is success. Japanese is seiko. Example, they reached success after hard work. 彼らは努力の末に成功を収めました. Repeat, success, success. English is lifestyle. Japanese is 生活様式. Example, he changed his lifestyle for his health. 彼は健康のために生活様式を変えました. Repeat, lifestyle, lifestyle.
Thanks for watching. Let's learn again tomorrow. Subscribe for more English. Bye bye.